Dear students, in this video let us work out some more problems related to accounting for electricity company. So this is the problem. Equity shares 3 lakh, debentures 1 lakh, creditors 500, depreciation fund account 1,25,000, net revenue account balance on 31st/12/2020 is 30,750, land on 31st/12/2019 75,000, land purchased during the year 30,000, means including cost laying up to 31st/12/2019 80,000, mains extended during the year 38,000, machinery on 31st/3/2019 2,75,000, machinery purchased during the year 33,000, sundry debtors for the current supply is 20,000, other book debts 250, stores on hand 3,000 and cash in hand 2,000. So from this you are supposed to prepare the capital account and the balance sheet. Okay, so here let us find out what for which item it belongs. See, item whether they goes to the capital account or the balance sheet. The first one is equity shares. As we all know, it goes to the capital account to the receipt side. Debentures, it goes to the capital account receipt side. Creditors, it's a current liability, it goes to the balance sheet liability side. Depreciation fund account, this goes to the balance sheet liability side. Then net revenue account balance on 31st/12/2020, it goes to the credit side of receipt side of the capital account. This is the opening balance or the closing balance of the last year. Then land purchased current year, so this goes to the expenditure side of the receipts and payment account, and land purchased during the second year this year, so this goes to the second column of the expenditure side. Of course, as you all know, like there are 3 columns in the receipt side and 3 columns in the payment side. The first one is particulars, next one is purchased till the beginning of the year and purchased during the year, second column, and the last column is of course the total amount. Okay, so means including cost of laying up to 31st/12/2019, it's a capital expenditure, goes to the capital account expenditure side. Then means extended during the year, okay, this goes to the next column of the same capital expenditure account only. So means purchased during the year, up to 31st/12/2000, up to the beginning of the current year, it is 80,000. Next column, purchased during the year 38,000. Machinery, of course, same, up to the beginning of the current year 2,75,000, again it's a capital expenditure, and purchased during the year it is 33,000. Sundry debtors, it's a current asset, it goes to the balance sheet under the current assets heading. Other book debts, again it's a current asset, it goes to the balance sheet. Stores on hand, that is stock in hand, again that is a current asset, it goes to the balance sheet. Cash in hand, it goes to the balance sheet because it's a current asset. So this is the way how you can prepare. It's a very simple problem. Okay, look at the solution. So now let us prepare capital account for Future Electric Company for the year ended 31st/3/2020. okay, so this is the answer. Okay, the first one is land. So purchased amount expended up to 31st/3/2019 75,000, during the year 30,000, and so total will be 1,05,000, of course. And if you look into the receipt side, the first item is by net revenue account. This is the balance carried down from the previous, brought down from the previous year, that is 30,750. Current year no receipts, so nil it is, so therefore the total is 30,750. One more is in the form of equity shares, so you will get 3 lakh. Debentures, you get 1 lakh. So total receipts will be 4,30,750. This side you come to the other side. So here we have a land purchased 75,000, up to the beginning of the year 75,000, and purchased during the year 30,000, total it is 1,05,000. Means up to the beginning of the year 80,000, purchased during the year 38,000, so total will be 1,18,000. And machinery up to the beginning 2,75,000, and amount expended during the year 33,000, so total 3,08,000. So if you see the total expenditure, it comes to 5,31,000, and total receipts 4,30,750. Now let us move on to the balance sheet. So general balance sheet of Future Electric Company Limited as at 31st/3/2020. Okay, so now the first item is like receipts as per. Okay, look at the liability side here. Look at the liability side. Receipts as per capital account. Look at this total 4,30,750. I have written here. It should be a liability. It should goes to the liability. So the liability side. Similarly, the total expenditure 5,31,000. It should go to the asset side as 5,31,000. Okay, next one is depreciation fund. In the previous trial balance, you have depreciation fund account. There itself I told you it goes to the liability side. So depreciation fund account 1,25,000. Creditors 500. So these are the only three items in the liability side. The total of the liability side is 5,56,250. Similarly, expenditure side, sorry, asset side. The first one, as I mentioned earlier, expenditure as per capital account. This account. Then sundry debtors for the current supply is a current asset 20,000. Other book debts 250. Current asset. Stores on hand 3,000. Cash in hand 2,000. Done. So total will be 5,56,250. So this problem you can expect for section B in the final examination. One more problem. So this problem can be expected for 24 marks in section C in the final exam. So equity shares, where it goes to the capital account. Debentures, capital account 10,000. Land, yes, capital expenditure, it goes to the capital account. Land purchased during the year, yes, capital expenditure goes to the expenditure side. Machinery, capital expenditure. Machinery purchased during the year, capital expenditure. Mains including cost of laying, so it's a capital expenditure. Mains extended during the year, again it's a capital expenditure, should be added to the previous one. Sundry creditors, current liability, goes to the balance sheet. Depreciation account, it's a liability, goes to the balance sheet. Sundry debtors, it's a current asset, goes to the balance sheet. Other debtors, it's a current asset, goes to the balance sheet. Stores in hand or stock, closing stock, it's a current asset, goes to the balance sheet. Cash goes to the balance sheet. Now cost of generation of electricity, it's a revenue expenditure, so therefore it goes to revenue account. Cost of distribution of electricity, revenue expenditure, goes to the revenue account. Then management expenses, it's a routine expenses, so goes to the revenue account. So other items, depreciation 2,000, sale of current is 13,000, rent of meters 500, interest on debentures 1,000, interim dividend 2,500, balance of net revenue account on 31st/12/2018 2,850. So with this, from this information you are supposed to prepare the revenue account, net revenue account, capital account and balance sheet. Okay, now let us prepare the revenue account of Flashlight Electric Company Limited for the year ending 31st/3/2019. This is the revenue account. So cost of generation of electricity 3,000, cost of distribution of electricity 500, management expenses 1,200, depreciation 2,000. These are the expenses. And income side we have sale of current 13,000, rent of meters 500. So total of the income is 13,500. And here we have a balance of 6,800. So this balance goes to the next account, that is net revenue account. Let us prepare that net revenue account. Okay, net revenue account of Flashlight Electric Company Limited for the year ending 31st/3/2019. Okay, look at here. The first item is a balance carried down. So if you look into the trial balance here, net revenue account is shown the opening balance 2,850, and this 6,800 comes from the previous account. So 6,800. The total of that income side is 9,650. Then for that, in the expenses side, we have the first item interest on debentures 1,000. Next item 2,500 in the form of interim dividend, so that we get a balance of 6,150. Now let us prepare capital account. Okay, so here the first one, the sources or receipts will write by net revenue account 6,150, which is brought down from the previous account, net revenue account 6,150. Then equity shares 54,900. Then debentures 20,000. So this column it is nil. So therefore the total receipts will be 81,050. Then total expenses, the first one is land, opening balance 15,000, purchase during the year 500, total is 15,500. Means opening balance 20,000 and current year purchase 5,100, total is 25,100. Then machinery, purchased during the year is 500, opening balance 60,000, so total is 60,500. Thus the total expenditure is 1,01,100. Now let us move on to prepare the balance sheet. Okay, the general balance sheet of Flashlight Electric Company Limited on as of 31st/3/2019. Let us take up the first two items of the previous account, the totals of the previous two accounts. So first one is receipts, so 81,050, which goes to the liability side in the form of receipt as per capital account. Second one is expenditure as per capital account. So look at here, 1,01,100, that comes here. Then sundry debtors 4,000, other debtors 50, stores on hand 500, cash in hand 500, and this side receipts as per capital account 81,050, depreciation account 25,000, creditors 100. So therefore the total of the balance sheet is 1,06,150. Thank you.